In this video, I will explain to you how you can withdraw money from CryptoMania app. First of all, you have to know that CryptoMania is not a scam website. However, it is not trading with real money, but you can also get real money based on your performance with your demo money. So once a month, I believe you can get $100 if you have the best result among the other users of CryptoMania. So if you're able to win one of the CryptoMania prizes for top performer, there's a few ways that you can actually withdraw your money from there. And the first way is that you can open CryptoMania.com app, add a bank account if you're not already linked at one. Step number 3 is that you can tap on transfer that is beneath your crypto balance. Step number 4, you choose withdraw from the menu at the bottom. Step number 5 is select fiat or bank account to withdraw the money. Step number 6 is pick your preferred currency. Step number 7 is enter the withdraw amount. And step number 8 is to confirm and click on withdraw. And that is how you can withdraw your prizes CryptoMania app.